Ooh, can they get down that? No, probably not. Yeah, sweet. Good riding.
Hello.
Oh, it's actually busy here. Very busy at the park. Oh, it's a big news. I've never seen that park.
Yeah, you can go.
Yep. Oh, we made it.
What should we do?
Yeah.
Can we see if it's still around this oval?
Yeah, if you want. I don't know if there's a path around that one. You can have a look there.
Okay.
I'm going to try and go down this bush trail.
No.
Oh, that's all right. I can go have a look and come back if you want.
Well, the Daddy's gonna go and have a look.
Oh, well, I can look if you like. Up to you. All right, I'll go have a look. Yep. It's very hard to ride and record video.
These people's yard.
What happened?
They've never fixed this yard.
They never fix the yard. No, they usually do that a couple of months when they've got some more money to be able to actually pay the thousands of dollars to fix the front yard. Sometimes you buy it with the house package or you do it later. Very expensive though. Yeah. Hard to go up the hill. Waiting for the bus, yes. See the bus? Oh, and a motorbike there. The postman. It's a delivery there.
How long is this gonna take?
Probably. Oh, it's clear. You can go.
Go. Final.
Can I ride across the road without falling off? Probably not. All right, I made it.
No.
Go up the bump. It's gonna be hard. Uh-oh. If I fall off, then it'll make it even more exciting video. Yeah, this is dangerous. Very dangerous. Around the corner. All right, can we make it up the hill?
I can't get up.
So we had to do this with one hand and a bowl. We made it through the alleyway. There's a secret. Now make it down here with one hand. Probably not. And we're back.
Oh my gosh, my foot was so dry on that trip.
Was it?
Yeah.
Your foot was dry.
Mm-hmm.
Huh. Sweet.